The Numark PartyMix 3 is the best beginner DJ controller on the market by far. And I'm gonna tell you why. We'll start with the price. This bad boy comes in at $149, and it's got every feature you'd ever want. So we're gonna dive in right now. Now let's start with what's included. So of course you get the controller. They also give you an 1/8 inch to RCA cable. This is perfect because your main out is 1/8 inch, so you can plug this into a stereo or lots of different options there. You also get a USB-C to USB-C cable with one end being a right angle. So if you want to plug this into your iPad or phone, nice and easy. And then on top of that, they give you this cool little phone stand, right? So you can put it right here at the end, put your little phone on it, and then you can DJ with that, nice and easy. So the PartyMix 3 is super portable. It's about 12 inches wide and maybe 7-8 inches this way, so it'll fit in any book bag or anything like that, but it's got tons of features, pretty much everything you'd ever need. It's a 2-channel mixer with dedicated EQ, so you have your high, mid, and low EQ here, dedicated filter knobs for each channel, and then you have about 3-inch jog wheels here that are capacitive, so they're touch sensitive, and they're surprisingly accurate. I mean, they have a really good feel for them, especially for the price of this thing. I mean, I gotta admit, I really like the jog wheels. Over here, you have an 1/8 inch jack for your headphones so you can monitor your mix. And then right here, you have dedicated buttons so you can select what channel is being played through the headphones, a dedicated volume for that. And then right here, you have a dedicated browse knob so you can browse through songs and then load them to the channels without having to touch your iPad or iPhone or, whatever computer you're using this with. This controller also has Bluetooth built in, so you can actually use this wirelessly with your iPhone and DJ without having to have a USB-C wire at all. Now down here, as you can see, you have 8 dedicated pads that can control all kinds of different stuff. Obviously your hot cues, but also when you use this mode here, you can select loops, your samples, or you can even control stem. So you can turn off or turn on individual stems here, right? So your drums, your bass, your melody, or your vocals. And also these bottom 4 pads control your stem effects. So if you want to break out your instrumental or echo out your vocals, very, very easy to do. And on top of that, you have dedicated acapella and instrumental stems button overall. So you don't even have to go to that mode. You can keep these on the hot cues and then just select acapella or instrumental and be able to do some really creative mixing. It basically unlocks all the best features of any DJ program, so you can truly learn the ins and outs of everything on this without having to buy big expensive hardware. You can figure out if you like DJing without, spending a bunch of money. And speaking about learning how to DJ, this beat align feature I think is so cool to learn how to mix and learn how to beat match. So what this is basically a cheat sheet that tells you which way to nudge the song so you can properly align it so it's a perfect beat mix. So right here it's saying to go into reverse, so we're gonna nudge it this way in reverse until we get that red light, and then we know it's aligned. Bam, red light comes on, we have a perfect beat mix now. Absolutely phenomenal for learning how to mix. And then when you're ready to take the show on the road, you want to show your friends your new mix, you even have a built-in light show. So you click the button here, and then the light show will literally go to the music. It basically shines right out of the front here. And I just think this is so cool because, yeah, you could say this is a little bit of a corny light show or whatever. What's the point of that? But for kids, I'm giving this controller to my son, and this is how he can learn how to DJ and make it fun. And he can even have cool lights that can shine and stuff for his friends. I don't know, for kids, I think it's just the coolest thing ever and can really open up the world of DJing to anyone, literally anyone. So if you're a parent and your son or daughter is taking an interest in DJing, for $149, this even comes with the DJ program. You can download the Algorithm DJ app on any iPhone or Android, or it also comes with Serato Lite, where you can basically put that on any desktop or laptop computer and plug and play, and you're good to go. If you already have Spotify or Apple Music, you can stream any music you want, so you don't need the actual music files anymore. I mean, what a time to be alive. This one controller breaks down every barrier to learn how to DJ. It comes with everything you would ever need, and it allows any kid or anybody to pick it up and just see if they like it, Because I think years ago, it was so hard and so expensive to buy the music and buy the records and buy the record players and all that stuff that a lot of people maybe would have been the best DJ ever, but never learned. Just never tried. They didn't have the money. They didn't have all the thousands of dollars it would take to invest in the right equipment to learn in the first place. Or, just to have access to equipment in general. Not everybody knew a DJ. Nowadays, this is it, This is the perfect thing. And I'm giving this right to my son, 100%. We'll see if he catches the bug.